Hey everyone, it's exciting. Got toys, new stuff. This is my official unboxing. At least I think it's what I think it is. It should be what I think it is. I mean, I'm hoping it's what I think it is. But let's go with the one I already opened. I got this today. This is a bit of a disappointment. I hate to say it. I think this here is a disappointment. It's a titanium windscreen for my alcohol stove, and it's light. It's very light, but it's also very flimsy. I don't know how well this will work. So how it works is it just goes around and it has a little magnet that keeps it together like that. I don't know that it's the storage that bothers me. I think it would work just fine. I just don't know how to store it without bending it and possibly breaking it. Sorry, Bax, you gotta move, buddy. You know what I'm saying? It's just I don't know. Anyways, but okay, so that's one thing out of the way. And this here is the other thing, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that this is the Trangia 27-2. Now, for those of you that don't know, I'll just explain this. I could have got 2, 3, 4, 5. When you get up into 4, 5, 6 and so on, you get like anodized aluminum, you get stainless steel. There's different materials that they use. The even numbers are always include a tea kettle, a teapot, which makes them a little heavier. Here's the moment. Yes, okay, it is what I thought it was. This is the Trangia 27-2 UL ultralight. There is a mini and a micro also, which are smaller. This is not for through hiking. Believe me, this is not for through hiking because this weighs 1.2 pounds. And that's the whole kit and caboodle. So this is just the unboxing. I'll do a review later. And I'll just show you what's inside. I did not order the cover for it. I don't know why I did. I don't know why I didn't. I mean, I can still buy one of those. It has a strap. I saw these on TV. Not sure how these work. I think you just squeeze that. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So that comes apart. This actually is a lid slash pan, frying pan. And it should come with a piece of oh, maybe this one doesn't. Okay, yeah, only the ones that have the coating actually have a plastic piece. Oh, there's some instructions. Look at that. Gone. Sorry. So there's a frying pan. There's a handle. This here's a little handle for the frying pan, well, for all the pots. And it basically just goes like that, and you can pick it up and do whatever you want with it. And it works quite well. It's very good. And you just basically, the thing I like about it is you just let it go. Like, as long as you're holding. Oh, no, I'm wrong. It never fell the last time I did it, even if I had let it go. But anyway, you get the drill. There's a handle, there's a frying pan, there's lots of cardboard. This is the lid for the cute little kettle. These here are to hold the pots and the pans. So this is the kettle. How cute is this? Oh my, look at this. It's just perfect for one, maybe too small, but definitely 1 cup. Wow, it is so cute. And always they put the stove inside in a plastic bag so that if you put the alcohol, they suggest that you use this all the time, that you keep this in this bag or a bag similar. And I think it's so that you don't lose fuel, like in case it leaks. And this is the stove. This is the simmer ring that comes with it. You can turn that. Also, it doubles as a douser. You can put your flame out with that. And this is the actual lid that has a rubber ring in it so that it's watertight, like it'll hold the liquid. So not only can you keep and store the alcohol that you have in your bottle, you can also store what you have in here. You can keep a couple ounces in here. I believe it's a couple ounces, but don't quote me on that. I'm not 1,000% sure on that. So keep in mind, this is a cook set for 1 to 2 people. So there's your stove. I'm going to put this back in here. And then I'll take out the rest of it here. These are the 2 pots that come with it. They are 1 liter each. One's a little bit smaller than the other one. Like this one nests in there like that. And these are aluminum. I did get the basic plain aluminum set. So 2 pots. Then you've got your windscreen. So this is how it's going to work. You'll take out your strap because you don't need it. This is your base. This will elevate the stove up off the ground, which is very important because this is why a lot of people burn the picnic tables and start fires, because they don't realize that when you have an alcohol stove, the fuel that's in it actually has to burn, but it boils. So this gets so hot, and this is where a lot of these fires start from, is, you put it on the ground and you cook with it, but the heat from it, or it can start a fire. So I mean, this is why something like this is really good, because you just put this there. Oh, you take the lid off, of course. So I would take the lid off, put that in, put my fuel in, give it a spark, and then this turns so that it locks on. You just take this and it'll lock into place somehow. And when I figure it out, I'll let you know. Oh, it's already in there. Well, then how does it... Oh, I see. Okay. All right, so it's locked into place. So when these are out, that's when you can put the actual pan in there. The pan fits right in there. This is your windscreen and your stand all built in. And then you take your little handle. You can do that, right? Or you can put that down. And if you put these down, I believe these have to be down for your little teapot. Sits in there like that, right? Isn't that cute? It is so cute. It's adorable. This is freaking adorable. I love this. Then you've got your 2 pots that can go in here. And they both fit down like that. So that even protects from the wind a little more. So you've got kind of, you like really, this is really good coverage. And then there's the little, it's, I want to call it the little and big one. They're both 1 liter. Oh, look, it's even marked. It's even marked on the side here. And it also, only on the little one though. That's kind of bizarre. Not on the bigger one. Anyways, guys, that's it. That's what I was expecting to come in the mail. I'm going to take this out on trail with me this week, because I'm going back to Frontenac, and I will use this the entire time. Well, along with a fire, of course. And the nice part about these is I can throw these right into the fire if I want, and that'll save a little bit of alcohol. I would also, if I'm ever going to use this, I'll never bring this on a through hike, but for local camping, for multi-day hikes, a week-long hike, even a month-long hike, I would probably take this. Anyways, let's the Trangia 27-2 UL. And I believe the UL means ultralight. Let's go get it.